Hello everyone, welcome back to another card opening here on Simon's Cardfight. My name is Simon and today we are going to be opening a box of Cardfight Vanguard Dragon Masquerade. So without further ado, let's have a look what we can find. Some information on the set. There will be 16 boosters inside of the box. I am also expecting a box topper and some advertisement. So we have our box topper, Slow Kiss Nonna, and another one behind. Let's open it. And a Strong Fortress Dragon, exactly. And we have some advertisement. Go check that out if you're interested in that. And now let's open boosters. Also there's gonna be 8 cards in each booster. And they're neatly sorted from front to back, so I don't have to do anything about that. So we have a compass needle spinning, a Valheimer dragon, with a crimson scale sword maestro Burnaya, for a double rare. And we have a triple rare Black Sky Thunder Quaking Queen Lymina, or something like that. Let me sleeve those up. Once again, sorry for butchering any names. Well, not really. Use easier names. Card games. On to the next pack. Off to a good start, possibly. I don't know. Like I said, as always, the prices will be added when I'm done with the unboxing and we'll be looking them up later. An Awkward Ravager. 2 rares in this pack. Let's see. We have a Screw Bullet Dragon, a Citrosun, which is rather goofy looking. We have a Scarlet Flamebow of Demolition for our rare, and a Academic of Verification Pyrrhic for our second rare. Also here a quick look at the card pack. It looks really nice in my opinion. So let's see. We have, well, that's weird. Yeah, so we have a Hololive member, Sakura Miko. So I already opened another box off screen and I already got a Hoshimachi. Cool. So let's continue. We have a Inciting Monster Trafficon, Cardinal Noid Granda, and then 2 rares. Nothing exciting. Let's look into the next pack. A Scarlet Flame New Soldier Buckish, a Spouting Intimacy Amelia, Amlia actually, the double rare, and we have a Scarlet Flame Bow General Rudrent as our, what are they called, face rare. Something like that, front rare. I will probably add it to the video so that we all know what FR stands for. And on to the next pack. We have a unpronounceable Chimera. And we have a blue Death Star. And a Great Sage of Heavenly Law. Rayron for a triple rare, which I'm also gonna sleeve up. Next pack. Well, maybe a bit slower so that you can look at the pretty pictures of dragons and a little cactus. Then we already had that one as FR. Now we have a Teasing Spiritualist Sorga Masks. I think he's one of the cover characters. Let's check. Well, I'm saying cover characters, but I'm talking about the backside characters. Yes, he is indeed. Cool. On to the next pack. We have a Flight Robo. A Sylvan Horned Beast. We have a blue Death Star Hanada Halfway for a triple rare. And a Knight of Amity Roderick for our FR again. I think it's face rare. So let's leave those up. And on to the next pack. Still a few left. We have a Threat Fusion Negator. A Cactus again, Sage of Elixir. We have a Trumpet of Blessing for our rare and a Inscribing Bullet of Duststorm Baxter for our double rare here. Really cool foiling effect. Don't really like the foiling of the normal rares. There's little squares with triangles in them. Let's see with the next one we get, I can show you. Yeah, with this one. So yeah, not really a huge fan, but doesn't really bother me that much. Makes the other cards more prettier. So we have a Putzenschwestern Brush, a Cranium Burner, and a Rousing Rasp for our rares in this pack. We have 4 packs left to go. Let's see if we can draw something cool. We have I'm seeing a lot of the cactus here, and we have another pack with 2 rares. Cool. And on to the next pack. Where we have a normal rare, our Putzenschwester Weeple, and a Dissolving Heat Monster. Is that Italian? Radio Bilio? I don't know. I'm sleeving it up. Definitely looks like an Italian name. Not sure about the pronunciation. Let's continue. And we have dragons, lots of dragons. We have a Champion of Loss for our rare. And a double rare Replenishment Angel with a cool foil effect. And down to the last pack. Nothing left. So let's get something good. Oh, and I just checked the packaging. It's frame rare because they have a frame around them. Of course. So we have a Sage of Horoscopy, a Sylvan-Horned Beast Labat for our rare, and a double rare Desire Devil Fujo, which is also cool looking. And this was that box. So thanks for watching. If you liked the content, please consider leaving a like and or subscribing. And I will be seeing you at the next one.